guys, welcome back to the House of Mels. Hope you guys are doing well today. It is a weekday for us, and normally I'm not vlogging in the weekday, but we have a special thing going on. We're semi-dressed up, not really. We're kind of just lounging around. Comfortable clothes. We're actually headed out to go pick up Lamel from school first, and then we're going to head out to a movie premiere. We got invited to go see the new Lion Gates movie, which will be coming out in April, and I'll put the date right here when it's coming out. Hey God, it's me, Margaret. I don't know if you guys have read this book, but I read it when I was younger, and it's so cool to see that this book is coming to an adaptation, like a movie adaptation. So the whole family is going. We're super excited to see it and have some real buttery movie theater popcorn. So come along and join us. All right, we're at the movie theater. Lamel's saying he's scared of the movie. We haven't even seen the movie. It's not even a scary movie. But are you excited about getting popcorn? And slushy? Yeah. Who do you think? Comment down below who you think is more excited about getting popcorn and slushy. Do you think it's Melvin or do you think it's Mel? Let's tell your decision down below. Yeah, but we're gonna be watching. Hey God, it's me, Margaret. And Mel wants to see himself. Do you have anything you'd like to tell the people out there?
Yeah. I want popcorn and slushy.
You heard it here first, folks. Mel's gonna get popcorn and slushy. Let's see if it actually happens. Mel, are you so excited about your first movie? Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, you're gonna laugh. It's gonna be funny. All right, Melvin. Pre-movie thoughts so far. What are you hoping for? Fun movie. What about you, Lamel? What are you hoping for?
I'm so excited.
You're so excited. So excited. Hoping it's like the book that I read when I was younger, and if it brings back like nostalgic memories. So I'm like super excited about that. So yeah, we're watching. Are you there, Dad? Yeah.
Are you there, God? It's me, Margaret.
I'm here to speak to you today about your changing bodies.
The blood is released through the vagina.
Please, just do this one thing for me. Let me just be normal and regular like everybody else. Just please, 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 please.
What I can't say.
I've decided I want you to join my secret club. If you want to be in the club, then you have to wear a bra.
Oh. You think you need one?
Are you okay? You can tell me the truth.
Fine. Good. Yes. We have the Campus Improvement Committee. Any volunteers? Social Committee. Fundraising Committee. And how are you?
I read that when you don't have any loved ones around, your life expectancy drops drastically, but you know, I've had a good run.
Gets tiring. Trying so hard all the time, doesn't it?
I don't know if I want to do this. Just that we're ready. Please, God, let it be a lady.
Do you think any of us will look like that when we're 19?
We must increase our bust.
All right, guys, that's watched it. We saw the movie. It was very cute. It's a cute, like, you know, it's Judy Blume. It's from when we were kids. So you kind of have to just go in that with that mindset. Super cute. Had some cute, funny moments. Lamel, what did you think?
I like the movie.
See, Lamel liked the movie. Now, if you know anything about Judy Blume, what do we say? We must increase our bus. We must increase our bus. Please make sure you guys go check it out. It comes out in theaters at the end of this month. We must increase our bus. We must increase our bus. Okay, Lamel's singing "We Must Increase Our Bus," even though he has no bus to increase. But Lamel, what you think of the popcorn?
I like popcorn.
Yeah, and Lamel has Sprite because Melvin had to get Sprite, so he had Sprite. So you could tell he was hype. He was hype. Anyways, guys, be sure to check out the film. Are you there, God? It's me, Margaret, when it comes out in theaters at the end of this month. And with that, we're on our way home to enjoy the sanctity of our home. And Lamel might take a nap, and we're just gonna enjoy the vibes. If you haven't already subscribed to the House of Mels, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, leave us a comment down below. Tell us, when's the last time you went to the movie theaters? All right, guys. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, we'll see you in the house.